Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. This is Kim. I'm really glad you're here. Today's Tech Tuesday video is about this awesome website that I found. I've used it several times and it's so cool. It's easy to use, it's free, and I think it will save you a lot of time. So I'm going to show you real quick how to use it. It's very simple. Okay, so basically you go to www.remove.bg and it'll take you to their homepage. All it really does is it removes a background. So if you have a picture with a background you don't like, you can remove the background, put a new background in. There's some built into the program here. You can upload your own. You can use a colored background. There's so many options, but the coolest part about this is it's automated. It's so easy. Yes, you can do these things in Photoshop, and there's a lot of other tools that allow you to do this. This one's quick, easy, and free. Okay, which is amazing if you ask me. All you do is go to this website and pick a picture and drag it in. See the background? Whoop, it went away already. But that is my dog Henry. He is on the patio with, let me see, can I show you? I'm just going to show you real quick what it looked like before. It got rid of it so fast. So this is the picture from before. So it took all the background out. It took all the patio, the little wheels from the barbecue, etc. It took it all out. Now I just have him. Okay, so, which is cool. That's great. If that's all you want, go ahead and you can either download it or whatever. But there's some fun. So if you click on the edit here, this brings you your picture with all the background gone. We still have the download button right here. You can, these are just blurred backgrounds of the background that we had. But since we removed the background, we have some other backgrounds that we can add. But I want to show you something else first before we add some of these. See how cute they are? There's a whole, they give you a little thumbnail, but this part is what I find the most useful. So it's called Erase Restore. You click on that. You can either erase more or you can restore some of the picture back. Like let's say I wanted some of the patio back, but not the full background, but maybe just some of it. You click on Restore and your brush size, see it's right here. See how big the brush is. You can make it bigger, smaller, whatever. And you basically just draw with your mouse over the picture and it will bring it back. So then we can have, let's say we wanted to keep this patio, but we didn't want the background. So we'll just bring our patio back. Oops. Made a mistake there. Doing this left-handed. I'm sorry. My husband's left-handed and he uses this computer too, and he likes the mouse on the left side. Okay, so let's say that we like that. Perfect. So now we click on background. We can pick one of these backgrounds that are included. So it kept the sidewalk, but it's adding these other backgrounds to it. So it's kind of cute. So like, oh wow, I really like this wood one. And let's say I don't really want the patio anymore. So we'll just go here, erase. And now you have to be more careful because it's going to erase the dog. So I would make my brush smaller and get right in there really close, but you'll get the idea. I don't want to spend time doing it, but so now it's like, oh, I like this wood. That looks kind of cool. I don't really need the patio. You could also just go in and start over and have them remove the background again if you don't want to do that. And then you can come back in here. Let's do that. I'll show you real quick how to do that. Here it is right here, right? It's already still there. So we just go back into edit. And which one was it? The one with the wood floor. I don't even know where it was now. Here it is. So there we go. So now he's laying on the wood floor in front of the bricks. And now we can download it if we want. Very easy, super quick, pain-free, right? Let's do another picture. Let's do my other dog. So we're just going to drag her in. Okay. So there, now so I'm going to show you what she looked like before. So she's on the couch. There's some bookshelves behind her. So that stuff's all gone, but maybe I want the couch back, right? So we just go to edit, erase, restore. I'm going to restore, make it a little bit bigger so it doesn't take so long. Just gonna. So I usually go a little bit over where I think this stuff is, because then you can go in and erase it. Okay, so I'm just putting the couch back by restoring it. Okay, so then you go to erase. You just clean it up a little bit. I'd make the brush a little bit smaller. You could go in and perfect it, but like I said, I'm doing this left-handed. I'm not too good with my left hand. Okay, whatever. So there's that. Now we can go into the background and pick a different background if we want, or if we had one that we've already have on our computer, you can upload it and it'll use that. Let's just pick one of these. There we go. I didn't do a good job, but if you did a better job, this would look really good. And then you could be done and you could download it. The thing about this is, so if we're going to go to download, oh wait, that's not where it is. It's back here. If you choose to download HD, you have to have credits, so you have to log in and create an account, that sort of thing. But if you just want a smaller version of it, which will be fine for you, you can just download for free. You don't even need an account. So anyways, yeah. So there's that one. There's one more I'm going to do just to show you. This is a house that has a bunch of stuff. Okay, I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looked like with the sky. So basically all it removed was the sky. It determined that we probably wanted to keep these trees and stuff, okay? Which you may want to and you may not want to. Like, let's say I want to get rid of these poles. Like, I want to get rid of this pole. I want to get rid of this pole. So we'll click edit. You can zoom in so that you can really see what you're getting rid of. Go to erase, restore. We're going to erase. We probably need a smaller brush. So we're basically just erasing the things we don't like, whatever it may be. I want to get rid of some of the tree. You can do whatever you want. Let's prune this tree a little bit. I don't like it so big. Whatever. And there's another little thing over here that looked kind of weird. Okay, so we'll just get rid of that. And obviously, if you have a smaller brush size, you can get in and do much better work of it and make it look like exactly the way you want. Whatever. Okay, so then you go back to the background. You can pick another background. Let's zoom out. That makes your picture look a lot better. It looks like they're in Hawaii now. There's some different kind of trees. Oh, that's kind of pretty. It makes it look like there's this other house behind it. And here's some mountains. And look how natural it looks. Looks like it fits right in. So anyways, that's it. That's all there is to it. It's a really cool program. It's free. It's easy. You can hop on and create a really great looking image in no time at all. You don't have to have any skill. Just play with it. It's really fun. Anyways, that's it. That's my whole video for today. Hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. That would be great. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, I would really appreciate it if you would do that also. But have a great day and have fun out there.